Hello, saxophone players. We're going to be going through the song Hot Cross Buns. Here's the playthrough. The new note in this song is G, and it's fingered 1, 2, and 3 in the left hand. It's in measure 2, right where my cursor is. It's also in measure 4, and then happens in measure 5, and then in the last measure. Don't forget, we have another new note from previous song, the A. The A is going to be played just first and second finger at the same time. Pointer and middle finger at the same time. The hardest part about this song for saxophone players is making sure that when we go to articulate the low notes, they come out without squawking on us. I've heard a lot of saxophone players go to play low Gs and tongue them and go like this. And have this kind of like honky sound to it, or maybe it'll pop up the octave. Things like that. If you're biting too hard, if your embouchure is not correct, then those notes won't come out. A good fix for that is to play the G by itself, make sure it sounds good, and then see what you can get away with your tongue. If that's hard for you, put it on the headpiece, making that same G-like facial structure and open throat. If your throat isn't open, if you're too tight here, these Gs won't speak. The other thing that's hard about this song is that this is just a low register. So all of these notes need to have that same low open throat and long lines. 2 measure phrases. Breathe. Don't make space between those notes except for the flick of the tongue to separate them. That's measure 3 and 4. Measure 5, 6, and to measure 7, the first note, that's all one breath, one airstream. And then you can take a breath. If that's hard for you, head joint only. And make sure you've got a loose enough embouchure. You're aiming that air up, but not too fast so it doesn't chirp on you or squawk. Those are my tips and tricks. You guys are awesome for trying this. You guys got this. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.